Afghanistan, a remarkable landscape, deeply carved and shaped by the mighty Hindu Kush, standing unwavering as nature's crowning glory, embodying picturesque and awe-inspiring valleys. These ancient landscapes are brimming with the resplendent crystal-clear rivers that sparkle intensely in the warm rays of the sun. Every twist and turn reveals a fascinating tale of ancient times, and the gentle, calming breeze whisks the alluring and enchanting scent of untainted nature right into your nostrils, navigating through this captivating and enchanting terrain. Afghanistan's sheer beauty is undeniably wild, unrivaled, and truly timeless with its enchanting allure. These magnificent mountains not merely serve as landscapes, they possess the profound essence of the whole nation. Strong, self-assured, and possessing silent pride that stretches across a multitude of centuries.
A testament to its unwavering endurance and resilience.